recognition for repairing, painting, or finishing the Journey Disaster Response Unit. Our partners in our community are grateful to the students of College of Lake County Automotive Collision Repair Class of 2019 for the positive impact they made in our community.
A central focus of the College of Lake County's mission is to strengthen the diverse communities that we serve.
To be able to work together around something that we have common ground on, we just help people that are in a situation that need to be helped.
We can provide these opportunities where you can apply what you've learned, and then you go out and you can perform these skills in a much more meaningful way.
As you can see, it's gorgeous, right? I mean, this thing did not look like this a few months ago.
And this is something where you're leaving a legacy. And hopefully it'll continue to grow, and hopefully it'll become contagious.
Once this trailer rolls up in a neighborhood, that trailer instantly becomes a sign of hope.